Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a reminder repeat daily on iPhone. So basically, if you want to have a reminder that repeats at the same specific time each day, you can do that with the Reminders app on your device. So go ahead and open Reminders to start, and then if you see the exact reminders that you want, you can go ahead and select it. I'm going to go back just for the sake of showing you that you first need to select a list. And once you select a list from the main screen, then you can go ahead and select the reminders that you want, or you can go ahead and create a new reminder. I have an existing reminder here. I'm going to just tap on it, and you're going to see a little circle with an eye that pops up to the right of the reminder. You're going to simply select it, and once you do that, you will then see options for date and time pop up. We're going to toggle on time, and when we do that, we can go ahead and then select a specific time that we want for the reminder. Now, once you have that time set for the reminder, right below that, you should see an option for repeat. And we're going to tap on that. And then on the next screen there, it allows us to select if we want daily or if we want weekdays or weekends. Now, if you do daily, this is going to give you a reminder at the same exact time each day for the entire week. Now, if you want to go back to the repeat section, you can then select weekdays if you only want weekdays for notifications, or weekends, and so forth. So once you go ahead and select what you want, you just simply go back and tap on done here in the top right. And then you will see on your reminder that you have the specific time along with the continuous daily notification for that reminder. Hopefully that's helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.